What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys, it's all about SNT Status Crypto, which has pumped up a massive 72% in the last 24 hours and is currently trading at just about 5 cents. We can see earlier on today it did hit 0.05658 cents, however has taken a slight dip, but overall it is still up over 70%. So we're going to look at why has it suddenly pumped earlier this afternoon. Is it going to crash back down? Is it going to keep pumping? So essentially covering its predictions over the next couple of hours, days, weeks, and also towards the end of the year, how high can it go? Is this a good investment, or should you, if you already own it, should you sell it and take out your profits? So we are also going to cover both buyers and sellers point of view. But before I get into all of that stuff guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I am trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel. And for a bonus entry, follow me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So as you guys can see, we are currently looking at the candlestick pattern chart, and we do have the Fibonacci scale, and right now it is quite interesting. As you guys can see, it has literally broken out from the red zone without resisting, and broken out from the green zone as well earlier today, heading into the blue zone, but right now it has dropped back down into the green zone. But the whole point is it going to crash back down into the red zone over the next couple of hours? Again, we're going to hide this for now and bring on the MACD indicator to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. So we are looking at the daily chart, and we can see that Status is currently trading at a much higher value than its average value, which is here in purple at near about 3 cents. However, it is trading at over 5 cents right now, meaning it's performing quite well and much better than expected. So let's zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then I'll move on to the hourly, daily, and weekly chart for the long-term investors like myself. But before I do that guys, just a little disclaimer. As usual, this is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So zooming into the 30-minute chart, what do we have here? We do have the orange line and the blue line both looking very steep, heading towards the bullish direction, meaning an overall increase in value is what is expected. However, they are looking way too steep guys. Even though the blue line is slightly coming to an end, as in going to a flat line here, as you guys can see, it was pumping, but both the lines are more or less going into a straight line, meaning again an overall drop in value. We may also see that, that is also what I'm expecting. An overall drop in value over the next 12 to 14 hours is what I'm expecting from SNT. So in the early hours of tomorrow to tomorrow midday, it should potentially drop back down to around the 3 cents target is what I'm expecting. Yes, it's pumping right now, and it's likely to pump up even higher towards about 6 cents over the next couple of hours before it starts to drop back down to around 3 cents in the early hours of tomorrow to tomorrow midday is what my predictions are at the moment. Moving on to the hourly chart, again I'm expecting steep lines. Yes guys, we can see steep lines heading upwards towards the bullish direction. So once again, this is not realistic. Only reason why it's looking so steep is because of the major increase that's taken place over the last couple of hours. But again, the whole point is that an overall drop in value is again what I'm expecting from SNT over the next 7 to 8 days. So towards the end of this week, early next week, I am expecting SNT to have gone for an overall drop in value once again, potentially dropping down below the 3 cents target is what I'm expecting. So again, going back to where it was trading at previously is where it's likely to go even over the next couple of days guys. So do expect more red days from Status over the next few days. Now moving on to the daily chart, next couple of weeks, what can we see here guys? We do have the blue and the orange line looking bullish, heading towards a positive direction, looking quite steep as well. So once again, this isn't realistic. So over the next 6 to 8 weeks, let's say mid to late December 2023, I am expecting Status to have dropped back down to around the 2 cents target is what I'm expecting. So yeah, literally, as you guys can tell by my predictions, I'm not expecting any pumps or many major increases from this crypto anytime soon. and yes, I am expecting it to more or less crash back down in value over the next couple of weeks and months as well, crashing back down to where it was trading at previously. This pump, personally, I think it's just temporary. It's just one of them ones where it pumps up in value and then straight away drops back down. So that probably answers most of your questions. Is it time to buy right now? Personally, no, it isn't, as I'm expecting it to drop back down in value. But if you guys have other predictions, such as if you believe in the crypto that is going to keep pumping and so on, then of course go for it. It's entirely up to you guys what you guys want to do. But personally, I wouldn't invest into it, as I'm expecting it to drop back down in value. Again, let me explain why. So let's get rid of the MACD indicator and bring on the Fibonacci scale we saw earlier on in the video. So as you guys can see, since about, let's have a look here, 2020, so for about a year and a half, it has been trading in the red zone. Yes, there's been times where it broke out from the red zone into the green zone, and as you guys can clearly see, it literally came crashing back down and has been trading in the red zone ever since. And it's just one of another day where it's pumped up so much, guys. It's broken up from the red zone, broken up from the green zone into the blue zone as well, and it's already crashed back down into red zone, crashed back down from the blue zone into the green zone, and I'm expecting it to crash back down from the green zone into the red zone over the next couple of hours, which is below the 4 cents target. And yeah, I'm expecting it to trade around 3 cents tomorrow, essentially, is what my predictions are at the moment. So getting rid of the Fibonacci scale, we can see a lot of people are trading the crypto right now. Going into the CoinMarketCap website here, we can see the trading volume has gone up over 5,400% up, guys, which is a huge increase. And we can see the trading volume right now is $228 million, which is an insane amount of money that is currently being traded on Status. We're seeing a lot more investors, a lot more sellers, and in general just a lot of people trading the crypto right now, as it is getting a lot of attention and a lot of hype, as it, it's essentially one of the top gainers. If I go into the CoinMarketCap or even Binance website here, we can see SNT is at the top here, guys. So yeah, it is the top gainer, getting a lot of attention. But yeah, it more likely is going to crash back down in value. But yeah, guys, that is pretty much it for today's video. I'm not going to keep you guys here for any longer. I just want to say a massive thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting, and just supporting the channel in any way or form, and especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much, as it helps me out a lot and means a lot to me, as I am trying to hit 100k by the end of the year. And at the end of the day, guys, it is free to subscribe, so why don't you go down and smash that subscribe button and like the video, and I'll catch all of you guys in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today or tomorrow. Until then, take care and peace.